person to such
Yeah. Culture is there.
Part of love and share is that there.
Yes.
Tibet.
Yeah. Actually, but his reincarnation came the other king. His tongue is white. So people say, oh, that is not the lung dharma. So we should by differentiating it and showing respect. We are saying, oh, we are not a lung dharma. And now people are showing tongue like that. This side of it.
Mysore Press Club. The Adri Anzo collegal Shunu, the Meche, Balega Shunu, the Peme, also Shunu, the Peme. Yamdoni de la Maso, Trongela Nida, Press Club, non lotust. Press Club.
ಅವರು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದರು ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 28ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಓಪನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್, ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ದಲೈ ಲಾಮಾ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಆದ ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಲಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗ ಆಯಿತು. ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ 8th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್. ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದರು. ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. ದಲೈ ಲಾಮಾ ಅವರು ಸಂದೇಶ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ 120 ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಂದ ಬಂದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಉಪದೇಶ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗು ಬಂದು ಅವರು ದಲೈ ಲಾಮಾ ಅವರು ಹಾಲ್ಗೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಲ್ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ಹೊಡೆದಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ದೇವರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಯಿ ಹೊಡಿತೀವಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ದಲೈ ಲಾಮಾ ಅವರು ಎಂಟರ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ he has broken the coconut in presence of his holiness Dalai Lama. ಅದೇನೋ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಭಾವನೆಯಿಂದ, ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಾವನೆಯಿಂದ ಕಾಯಿ ಹೊಡೆದಿದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಮಗು, ನಾನು ದಲೈ ಲಾಮಾ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹಗ್ಗು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹಗ್ಗು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತಬ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಭಾಳ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ಮಗು ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರಿಯಾಗಿ ದಲೈ ಲಾಮಾ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಗು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಗ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಪಿ ಎಗಳಿದ್ರು. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಗು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ, ನೋಡಿ ಬಾಯ್ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಹಗ್ ಯು ಅಂತ ಪಿ ಎಗಳು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಓ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಬರಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಬಾಯ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಾಗ ತಬ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾಲಿಗೆಯಿಂದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಭಾಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ 80 years, ಎ ಬಾಯ್ ಆಫ್ 10 to 12 years, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್. ಆ ಭಾವನೆಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಸಮ್ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿ ಸಮ್ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಥರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಅವರು ಪೂಜ್ಯ ದಲೈ ಲಾಮಾ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಇದು ನಡೆದಿದ್ದು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 28ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿದ್ದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟು. ಈಗ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 2nd ವೀಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಮೀಡಿಯಾಗಳು ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ದಲೈ ಲಾಮಾ ಮೇಡ್ ಎ ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ಅಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಬಾಯ್, ಕಾಮದ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿ, ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ 88 years, ಎ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಲೀಡರ್, ಪೀಸ್ ಲವಿಂಗ್ ಲೀಡರ್, hugged the boy, exchanged the love and affection. But some of the media, after the lapse of 1 month 10 days, ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಫುಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೋರಿಸಲೇ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಹಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರು. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವರು ಇಡೀ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಮೀಡಿಯಾ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ದಲೈ ಲಾಮಾನ he made a sexual assault on the boy ಅಂತೇಳಿ with the support at the instigation of Communist Chinese Party of China. At the instigation of Communist Chinese Party of China, this particular media edited the entire incident, what has happened. ಆಗ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿ ದಲೈ ಲಾಮಾ ಅವರ ಘನತೆಗೆ, ಗೌರವಕ್ಕೆ, ಶಾಂತಿದೂತ ದಲೈ ಲಾಮಾ ಚೈನಾ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ವಾಸ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟು. 1 month 10 days ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ನಡೆಯೋದು ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 28ರಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 28ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 2nd ವೀಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಡಿಟೆಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೊದಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಹಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಕಿಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಈಗ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೈಜಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ಡ್ ಹೈಜಾಕ್ಡ್ ಹಿಡನ್ ಅಜೆಂಡಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಚೈನಾ ಟು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ದಿ to defame the image of His Holiness Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama ಅವರ ಘನತೆಗೆ ಗೌರವಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಧಕ್ಕೆ ತರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಹಿಡನ್ ಅಜೆಂಡಾ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಈಗ ನೀವೇ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಂದು ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಲ್ವ ಸರ್, ತಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡು ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಲ್ವ ಸರ್, ಕೆನ್ನೆ ಕಿಸ್ಕೊಡಲ್ವ ಸರ್, ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಡೆಯಲ್ವ ಸರ್. ದಲೈ ಲಾಮರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಐ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡೋ ಟಿಬೆಟನ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್, ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಹಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟಿಬೆಟ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಟಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಟಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಾಯ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿಬೆಟನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Yeah. Actually, the thing is that I think we have circulated the press statement here. It is clearly mentioned in this. But for your clarification, I would say that actually our speaker said now, this incident took place on 28th of February. No, but regarding, I'm just you listen, how it happened during that event. It is happened in the Dharamshala in a daytime. Actually, at the time of question hour, the child. Yeah.
Just we want to know.
Yeah. Yeah.
That kind of culture is there.
Yeah, it's there in culture and tradition.
Yeah.
It is there. Yeah, that we are spreading the myth. Today we came here to condemn this false allegation and misinterpretation. Actually, this particularly video has been clipped as a cropped and edited. Actually, this event around there might be about 1 hour. The gathering. There is His Holiness address is there. From the college student, there is a question answers, but they have edited the pure video of that incident. They have made it in 30 seconds or 42 seconds. In that 42 seconds, they have shown the boy hugging with His Holiness and His Holiness kissing, and they saying also suck my tongue in a blurred way. What we have come here to request the media person to thoroughly investigate, thoroughly research, and then come out to the public. We should go through. You can go through the videos, and we have evidence here. After getting the audience of His Holiness, after finishing the audience, particularly the boy was interviewed by our Radio Free Asia media, and mother was also interviewed by our media. And as our speaker said, the boy was very much satisfied. He said he got a very positive energy from a very higher positive energy. He was feel more happier. And even the boy mother interviewed that they are seeking the blessings very long time. And finally they got audience on that, and mother also is there. Yeah, but yeah, in tradition is there. Yeah. Yeah.
We need one clarity.
Yeah.
That kind of culture is there in Tibet.
Yeah, suppose for example, we culture just
ask a person to.
Yeah. Culture is there.
Part of love and share is that there.
Yes.
In Tibet.
Yeah. Actually, how it happened, we should go through the history. During the 9th century, we had a king came, Langtharma. He has destroyed our whole Tibet. And after his demise, his reincarnation has come. But that king, his tongue is black. But his reincarnation came the other king. His tongue is white. So people say, oh, that is not the Langtharma. So we should try differentiating and showing respect. We are saying, oh, we are not a Langtharma. And now people are showing tongue like that, this side. And you should go through the video. They have put the whole studied history video there. It's our tradition. Suppose, for example, kissing also. I am also grandfather. In our tradition, in our culture, if my grandchildren, it says, telling me, grandfather, give me some money like that, we used to say, first, you touch my forehead. Again, we refuse, we don't give money. If you want money, then you touch my cheek like that, then touch my kiss like that. This is very natural now. What is there in kissing with our own grandchildren like that now? His Holiness, very lovingly he did everything now.
Okay, kissing with
So what we have came here now?
Yes, sir, it
all
is
the-
allowed.
Yeah,
It is
kissing is
there,
yeah.
kissing with debate.
Yeah.
It's a part of love and
Yeah,
affection.
but traditionally there. But in the video, Dalai Lama has just jokingly, prankly by a tongue. But he didn't do. He didn't suck the kid's tongue. That you should know. You should go through the video properly. You should analyze. You should research it. Touch marila. Tongue. No, touch marila. You know the video. Shall we show the video?
We want to know.
Yeah, allow now.
No.
There's nothing.
Sir,
Video is there, you can watch video.
Video is there.
Shall we show the video?
Better also you can
yeah, go to video.
Yeah.
see.
Then you go this.
Sir,
얘도 때문에서
sir, I think you got. There is a difference between love and lust. You some of the media
ಯಾರದೇನು ಮಾಡಿ
gave the shape of lust.
ಡಿಬೇಟ್ ನ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿನ
ಇದೆ ಅಂತ
ಪ್ರೇಮನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಇದೆಯಾ
ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ
ಹೌದು.
ಸರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಹೌದು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರದೆ
ಹೌದು.
ಅದನ್ನ
ಹೌದು.
ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿ ಬಿಂಬಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇವ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಈ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಅವರು ಬ್ಲರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಂಟೈರ್ A to Z ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
Before concluding the conference, I would like to say that just the nature of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. His Holiness the Dalai Lama is a very nature, very playful nature. So, for example, suppose if we meet some person with a mustache, with a very high mustache, he used to pull down the mustache. And he sees some big hat, he sees, oh, it's a very big hat like that. If he sees some very big nose like that, he used to touch it.
Worldly persons also like this, sir.
Like touching his nose like that. If he sees some bald person, he used to rub it and hit like that. This sort of playful things.
Humorous.
So whatever incident happened, there's nothing from our Tibetan sides and from Buddhist side. We don't see even a 0% faults in His Holiness doing. So we request all the media to go through the full video of the 28th February incident. And that is the foundation, M3M Foundation, there is one. So you go through our tibettv.com. So we request and
저도 있는데 동생 서비스를 썼었어. 그래서 야 야구청 그래서
Today we gathered here to have the press meet with regard to recent media twisting on the Dalai Lama's speech, which has happened in the month of February 28th. Some of the media twisted the actual issue. It had happened differently. The Dalai Lama gave the blessing to boy with all hugging and love and affection. But some of the media twisted, linking that incident as not love, as a lust. It is fully condemnable. It is an attempt to defame the image of our His Holiness Dalai Lama, who is a peace-loving and real Buddhist, and throughout maintain the bachelorly in his life. Always he is fighting for the cause of the human rights, not only for the Tibetans, for the entire world. So here we have briefed the media about the twisting made by some of the media people with the support of Chinese Communist Party to meet their end. It is not definitely they are not going to help the Chinese people. It is only an attempt to damage the image of the holiness. We are all there to express our solidarity, not only from Tibetan side, from the Indian side also. I am the president of the Indo-Tibetan Friendship Society. I am always for the cause of Tibetan people. We always stand by it. We always support Dalai Lama's cause, Tibetan's cause. Thank you very much.
Ride ngadu gyaga gyasa Mysore nanglo liya lojo shijaka sum kolegal re hunsu re baligubi ani ume lamgi phegu shunul henzo da sane phegu phemel henzo tumongi tone adu chen ngadu sargol henzo ji kuti shubei an sargol henzo di tholiya cho chishu de ngadu tamshe nangge nangliya ani himbe da de chokbe gi chokdo bibi jabre gora dende shube tone an da nyeja an thalam gi gyune nanglolia sargo bata chik neju matobe mangbuji gi ani tus khonsa choliya tanda chenshe soya da dindegi netun thola di changma soya gi chedong zo kudi shubire di tholiya ani himbe da de chokbe gi chokzu ngone yuge ge thone chadang khonsa chogi zeba tinle re da na sing tande chaliya tanda kundulia cheme shue denzo tagda de mebada manzo ngone dile cheme shuge changmala ngone mebada an dile di demba mares chen ngaso sebu shubre hagdon ngaso henzo nigi ngone an ngozap shu chen nge ngone ta inji nanglo le ya tanda sargo batula ta so chishu regu shuel ya tande konso chol ya cheme shuwe gi tanda nyenti ta khala hanzam ji do de dinzu thola sargo number to gi an gen chembo ji she chen dile ya cheba nyamshi chebe thone an tande ki nedu di and chinda nibe tari ni sabgela dharamsala la khongsa chone and tanda M3M Foundation ge ni loma and to lobdom batole kalob nang be ge dus chen cha digi ores digi ani nyentung ineri nyenting khari yimba de chazal ya ani simju nang chene ang jong ne ta tanda sargu ba changmal ya bigu shuele neju dile kyapcho na ya da neju changma demba chik ma sedo chero nang chen ang jong ne shuda ge bigu shutu ba chongsong shurai
Peki sargı da yapacağım.